Here we are at Granite State Street Rodders monthly car show up here in East Rochester, Milton.
Those are 10 inches. Pretty nice.
That's one 88 SMZ S3D, 18 horse.
So I shipped it over.
Don't fall into the trap of taking your own pictures. Just send for the insurance. Bring it to us at Cabana's Auto Body. We know how to talk to your insurance company.
Here's one of my jewelers right here.
In South Sanford, down by the
I love
airport.
this Mustang.
Cabana's Auto Body, family owned and operated since 1961. Here's the for Jimmy for the run. Here's the price of the day. Extra class of sunshine. 55 to 60 to stay aerobic. It's about 56. We're the closely running 937 in service.
Nice truck. Nice Chevy. Another nice Chevy. Here's Bill and Alice's. Gorgeous car. Mary, they've had your 56 out. They just didn't bring it tonight. But they have been cruising with it and they still love it. Gorgeous car. Here's a nice little roadster.
The food is free, but you and I both know that it took somebody a lot of time to prepare the food.
It's a nice little
You
roadster.
see a donation bucket there?
How you doing, Ivan?
I like those bug fenders. I got a couple of those fiberglass fenders at home, but the originals,
Yeah.
they're all beat up. But if I cut them up like that, I could probably fit them in.
Oh, you could chop them up.
Yeah, yeah. Make them look pretty good.
Or a nice 62.
It was cold and damp this morning or earlier, and I.
Yeah, it's in the 50s, but in the sun it's not bad. Nice little vet. I like this 56.
Yeah, you were in there in that before I bought this.
Patina.
Maybe it gave me the itch. Come out of St. John's, Newfoundland. It's a little bit of a haul to get it here, but
He said it come out of Newfoundland.
Get the license plate.
56.
I think I've had it about 18 years.
Yeah.
Here's a nice 55. How you doing?
Not bad. How are you?
Good.
Watched you all winter.
Oh, thank you. Oh, nice 67. For sale.
Yeah.
29.5. No phone number, guys.
It's in good shape.
Oh, this is gonna be Mark Grenier, Mag.
Huh?
This says SS. Nice truck. GTX. Nice Chevelle, 69. Big block, 454.
Get that license plate.
Motion. Well, Motion was Baldwin Engineer, Baldwin, but I don't think it's a Baldwin car. Here's Dan and Amy's. Beautiful Cutlass. This is gorgeous.
I don't even know what the hell we got here.
Still looks good, Dan.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
I've been driving the car out of
Have you? Very nice. I can hear the music. There's Sally and her son. This is new. You must have just got this.
I know.
Nice 57. He molded the hood in. Here's George's pickup. Here's a Vicky with a 428 Ford in it. Wow. Never seen this one before. It's got drag radials on it. I love this Biscayne. Wow. Dog dish hubcaps, red line tires. .427, gorgeous. Nice 38 Chevy. It's a nice truck. F100 for the flat motor. Chromed up too. I like white seats. Hard to keep clean, but AMC. I'm trying to figure out if this is a Dodge or a Plymouth or a Chrysler. I don't know. Got a Hemi in it. It's a modern Hemi. Beautiful. And underneath's nice too. Here's Ivan's. Yeah, still holding up. Oh, look at this thing. LS motor, injected. Wow. That is impressive. I bet this thing screams. T-Bird. Is a nice 56 Ford.
I don't think I've seen this one before.
That's a nice Vicky. Huh?
I don't either.
How you doing? All right. Beautiful Chevy. 396 too. Here's Father John's. Oh, it's a split window. 63. This is pretty gorgeous. I like that color. Got a red interior. Ford and a Ford. Nice, nice 69. Beautiful. Look at his power wagon.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, they're worth their weight in gold.
It's a 48.
48?
Yeah.
Yep. Follow your dream.
You don't have it here tonight, though.
Freightliner. Another power wagon.
So, what is John? What does John have?
I don't know.
What is it?
He's got the pickup truck. The El Camino he had to do with it. Yeah, it was bothering him too much to have it.
Flatbed Chevy.
Like, of course, I lost my grandson in March. Then we lost one in June, which everybody knew him. And then their mother in September, and her daughter in December.
I think it's a tea bucket. This Mustang just came in. Nice. Still rolling in. Looks like a GT 500. Come on.
Just going to do the last four numbers. Last four numbers. 4953. 4953. If you have that, please come up and get your prize. Maybe 4953. I will hold on that. Oh, okay.
Hi, how you doing?
Not too bad, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Hi, George. Hey, Mark.
Let's give away drying towel.
I still have trouble. Like that guy just drove in and stuff. Florida. God, I said, I don't know.
Says the price is right. $22.9.
She want it? Lady right behind you, good, just leaving. There you go. Okay.
Here's a EXP. 400 and some odd horse.
Starting May 16th and Thursdays. 1020 New Hampshire, 16 Mississippi. Okay, we're going back to music. Present time.